Welcome you all to Tech Hype channel. Please subscribe my channel and support our channel for development. In this video, I will demonstrate ArcGIS Earth application. How to use the ArcGIS Earth application in different tools and different analysis. First of all, you have to download the application. Go to the Google Chrome. Type it ArcGIS Earth. Just type it ArcGIS Earth. Then it will show you the site ESRA. You click over the ESRA website. You can see it will show in the ArcGIS Earth application. You have to click on the download the free application. It is a totally free application. You can use it. I already downloaded and installed in my PC. Now I am running from my PC. ArcGIS Earth application. Right click and open it. It will show it is looking like a Google Earth files. Now it's opening. It's looking like a Google Earth. Just you got to skip the screen. Okay, this is already opening now. This Earth application. Here, suppose you want to create a new project. This is expand table of contents to. Here you go to create a new folder. You go to give the art folder. I am giving the name my project. Just give the my project. Then okay, it already I have created the folder from the all my layers which included in the folder only. Now I am adding the data. Suppose you want to add the point data, line data, polygon, whatever. If you want interested in your project, you cannot. Now I am selecting the area of my interest. You have to rotate the globe, zoom in the particular area. Suppose I want to digitize this river. You go to here, add polygon. It will give you the polygon. Just select what are the layers. Suppose if you want to put it, you can use the tool. Just select it. And now you can digitize the river. It automatically giving the measurement for the each. What are the layer you are creating? Experiment. And now for experimental purpose, I have digitized the rivers. Approximately I am digitizing the boundary. Okay. Just you can change the color here. Blue color. And if you want to use the transparency level, you can apply the transparency. It's better to visualize. We need the label also, you can add the label if possible. Okay. Now I am creating the road layers because I want to digitize this road layer. this road layer. Here you go to right click or line. Just to give a line. You can give a road. Give it road. Suppose if you want to change the color, go to change it. Change it now. I am digitizing the road. Approximately I am digitizing the road. We already created the road. This is river. Suppose I am not giving the name, you want to rename it. Just right click over and rename it river. Okay. Already we have created the line and polygon layers. If you want to save it, you can save it. Whatever file you can, if you do it KM file or KMZ files, you can save as a river. You can save the road as a road. You can save it. Suppose if you want to share the email, you can share it. You want to give the email, then automatically you can send it by other email ID, it goes. Let's for next tool. Next tool is adding the data. Suppose if you have any online data is available, suppose I want to add Sentinel land use land cover data. Here is Sentinel data from 2020 to 2025. Suppose I want to add the Sentinel-2 data. You can just click over this one, or just click over the R. Table of contents. Just close it, and here you can check it. This Sentinel-2 10-meter resolution land use land cover details already included. Okay, you can see the Sentinel-2 land use land cover there. If you want to interest in your site, you can, without digitization, you can add it. Okay, now I am deleting the layer. Suppose I am not interested. You want to delete the layer, you will just delete it. It automatically going. Suppose if you want to add more layers, here add layers. Online. Which is tools available. You can add it. Suppose I go to add my own files. Select file from your PC. I have already existing files available in my PC. I am adding here Karnataka villages, Jayanagara. Just select it. Open. You can see that already imported the shape files into your projects. You can check it. you can see the general boundaries already included project. Suppose if you want to do the labeling, enable labeling means automatically showing the what are the villages IDs present in the polygon. It is showing. Just if you want to remove the labels, just to click it. So suppose I want to know about what are the attribute tables present in the layers. Just click over the attribute table. You're showing the what are the database we have created from the file. Automatically showing. Suppose I want to know about particular polygon file. Go to select over there. It will show in the particular polygon. Okay, now we want to use a symbology. Just click over the you can do the what are the fields you are interested. I am selecting LGD village. It's automatically symbolization selected. Okay. Now we are deleting the layer. And this one is measuring tool. Click over this globe. We can take it. Just some more. Okay, let's go for some other. Because if you want to measure what is the measurement in between the two places, here is line. Oops. You can measure